Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me once again. This is Roy Machingura. Welcome to Pip Valley, where today we are also going to be looking at the Usdzar pair. So we're going to look at the likely direction that the pair is going to be taken, and I'll also share with you whether or not will I participate in this week's upcoming trade. I hope you have watched the EURUSD analysis that we've done. If you haven't, click in the link above so that you can watch the EURUSD analysis. So now, without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into our analysis. So we are going to start with the weekly chart, right? I'm expecting two scenarios. Since the price has formed a morning star right here, as you can see, this morning star. Since the price has formed this morning star, this is a sign of this is a reversal pattern sign, right? And it's also at the support level, 14.3906 support level. So what I'll be expecting is that the price will break this zone, retesting it, in the process come and form a lower high before moving all the way up. But I want to highlight a certain pattern that we had. If you check in our December videos, we had this head and shoulder pattern. This is the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern. So what I'll be expecting is that since this is the shoulder pattern of the neckline, this movement that I've just talked about, it's going to just come and hit the neckline region, where it will be rejected, and then the price will be pushed back so that our main downward trend may continue. And if it closes anywhere below this level, or 16.45355, it means the price would have formed a lower high, which means that our trend, our bearish trend that has been forming here, will become prevalent and will continue. The other scenario that we'll be expecting is that since the price broke this 15.21600 level, I'm expecting that this reversal that has happened, it's an attempt to test this 15.21600 zone as a resistance zone. And if it holds, the price will then pull back to continue with the downward movement, come back and break 14.39096, retest it, go all the way down. If it doesn't hold as a resistance zone, that's when the price is going to come and possibly retest this, or maybe come retest this 15.21600 before going all the way up to the next level, possibly to 17.69110. So these are the two scenarios that I'll be expecting as far as the weekly time frame is concerned. Then I move on to USDZAR daily chart. What I'll be expecting on the daily chart is that since this bearish candle has formed, it seems that the bears are stepping up. So we'll be expecting that this 15.21600 zone is going to hold as a resistance zone, and therefore reject this bullish movement so that the price may come down and continue as a breakout trade, where it will be establishing lower lows and lower highs, continuing the downward trend. Alternatively, this zone may fail to hold as a resistance zone, thereby the price would then break it and then come retest it and then continue the movement to the upside. So for me, I'm not going to participate in any position. Why? Because on the weekly charts and the daily also, I'll be trading against the trend, and I don't like trading against the trend. I'm a trend follower, a long-term trend follower. I mean, I follow the trend on the daily chart, on the weekly chart mainly, and also on the monthly chart possibly. So on the weekly chart, I have a reversal right? The price, it seems the price is retracing. It retraced through that morning star that I talked about, right? But the price has not yet formed a higher low to warrant a bullish trade for me. So on the weekly chart. So based on that, I am not going to enter into any bullish trade. And also the price hasn't yet established a lower high. I'm not also going to take bearish trades. So this means that in the coming week, what I'll be doing is I'll be just a spectator. I'm not going to be participating in the USD's pair. So remember, as I've said, that is the main reasons that I'm not going to participate in the USD's trades is that number one, the price hasn't established a higher high or a higher low. Number two, price hasn't established a lower high. So based on those two factors on the weekly chart, I'm not going to participate in bullish or bearish trades, and it's fine. So you also have to understand that in your trading, it's fine not to trade. Actually, not trading is part of trading. Like staying away from the markets is part of trading. You have to be proud when you do not trade. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the analysis that I had, that I thought I should share with you. And also I thought I should include this last part, that I'm not going to take part in the USD's pair, because I don't want to be hypocritical. I don't want to tell you something that I'm not doing. And it was also for disclosure purposes. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. Thank you very much for supporting me. Trade well, grind the markets with grit. Roy Machingora out.